Almost everyone faces a dental problem at some point in their lives. Sometimes dental issues are caused by the care you take of your teeth, or lack of, while other times they are caused simply by your heredity. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. If it is your first time visiting our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please press the bell icon for regular update. And please share it with your friends, maybe it will help him. The good news is that advances in dental care have made going to the dentist nearly pain-free. Dental problems are never any fun, but most of them can be easily prevented. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, eating properly and regular dental checkups are essential in preventing dental problems. Educating yourself about common dental problems and their causes can also go a long way in prevention. But these 6 things a dental cleaning can do for you. 1. Prevent cavities. The whitish film that builds up on your teeth is called plaque and is the leading cause of tooth decay. This acidic substance eats away at the tooth enamel and, if left unattended, can lead to cavities. Plaque can be removed by brushing, flossing and dental cleanings. 2. Stop tooth loss. Gum disease, which starts with built-up plaque, is a major cause of tooth loss in adults. As gum disease advances, plaque moves further down the tooth where it can destroy the supporting bone in your jaw, causing teeth to loosen and fall out. Luckily, the chance of this happening to you can be greatly reduced through regular dental cleanings combined with good oral hygiene habits. 3. Brighten your smile. Drinking coffee, tea and wine or using tobacco can stain your teeth. A dental cleaning can remove built-up stains and leave you with freshly polished teeth. The result? A whiter, brighter smile. 4. Freshen your breath. Good oral hygiene is the best way to prevent persistent bad breath. Even if you brush and floss regularly, getting a cleaning is a great way to keep your mouth healthy and odor-free. 5. Boost your overall health. Studies have shown a connection between oral and overall health. Regular dental cleanings may help lower your risk for some diseases, like heart disease and stroke. Many medical conditions, some of them life-threatening, can be detected in their early stages by your dentist during a routine oral exam. 6. Save money. Get the most value from your dental benefits. Most Delta dental plans have low or no copayments, coinsurance for dental cleanings and oral exams. If you take advantage of your benefits now, you may be able to save money in the long run by helping to protect your oral health and potentially avoiding more costly and extensive procedures. Thanks for watching me. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe. And please stay tuned for more.